Hi, today we are making donuts. So, first thing first, pour half cup lukewarm milk into a bowl, 2 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Lightly mix the sugar and yeast so it dissolves everything. Now crack one unhatched chicken, aka egg. Beat them until it looks like a vomit. Add 3 cups APF aka all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt. Mix the salt into flour and then mix the flour with vomit. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. It's a little bit sticky, but it will be okay. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Butter makes donuts very soft and creamy. I'm not exaggerating, but after adding the butter, it's hard to handle the dough. Yeah, but if we add the butter before, the butter will start to separate from the dough and making a mess. That happens because our hands will heat up the dough, therefore heat up the butter, so it's always better to add the butter later on. When the dough is smooth like a baby skin, you are done. Cover it and rest the dough for 2 hours in the area 51.
One eternity later.
After the dough has risen double in size, punch it with love. Take it out from the bowl and press it gently to release the air. Now cut the dough into 10 equal parts. Now make a ball shape. Press it gently to release the remaining air. Make a hole in the center so it looks like a donut. Place it on the parchment paper and let them rest for about 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, heat up some cooking oil and add the donuts into the pan. I accidentally overcrowded the pan, so should I get them out or not? I think not. Let them enjoy each other. Fry both sides for 3 or 4 minutes on low heat until the donuts get beautiful soft golden color. Remember to flip when the underneath has cooked.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐난 I love my life 사라지지만
So our donuts are ready. Put them on a paper towel to get rid of excess oil. Okay, when the donuts are completely cooled down, coat them with powdered sugar. Actually, I should make a sugar glaze, but I'm lazy, so I'm coating with just powdered sugar. Make a sugar glaze if you are not lazy, like me. Okay, it's time to eat. These donuts are very soft and fluffy, like you are eating cotton candy donut, if that makes sense. Okay, just after one bite, boom, you are in heaven. No, you're not. I'm just exaggerating. But it's almost feel like that. So, thank you. Bye.